Well, Khushi, I have received many messages or comments from HSC 12th standard students that they require some help with the grammar, with the solving of questions of their board exams. So I'm coming up with a crash course which will cover your entire grammar part. So I'll explain you briefly about the tentative schedule or how we are going to move forward. So the study material will be provided from my side. You'll just have to take a printout if you are an online student, and I'll it will be in the form of block notes. What do you mean by block notes? So the notes that you will be using on the last day of your exam. Last day, that is one day prior to the examination. हम पूरे साल भर तैयारी क्यों करते हैं? Just to be able to study, to be able to cover the entire syllabus on the last day of your examination, one day before your exam. उस दिन पे वी शुड हैव एम्पल ऑफ मटेरियल, द राइट मटेरियल, जिससे हम लास्ट डे पे पढ़ाई कर सके. सो द ग्रामर पार्ट, स्टूडेंट्स डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. हम इसमें लेसन नंबर जीरो मीन्स एंटायर gist, entire crux of standard 11, it will also be covered. So this begins from 3rd of January. 3rd of January will be chapter number 0, that is adjective, possessive, demonstrative, plural, how to make an adjective or a word feminine, IR, ER, RE ending verbs, interrogation, negation, and pronopersonal. So pronopersonal mein on 3rd of January we'll cover only pronosuje, and the 4th of January we'll cover other pronouns. This is ये जो schedule है इसमें your entire grammar topics will be covered. Grammar part जिस पे writing skills is dependent, how you write the answers, how you write your writing skill, either email or blog, that is also dependent on this part only. You still have time, you can still study. आप ये अगर schedule देखो, so it starts from January 3rd and it ends on February 1. Saturday, Sunday will be classes. Saturday, Sunday, mostly in the evening time, it would be the class, that is evening, late evening. Pronopersonal will be covered. Then moving forward, 10th of January, Prono EN. Artikla Parthritiv from lesson number 1. Even the small topics such as to, these also will be covered. Pronominal verbs. Moving forward, pronominal verbs, negation. We know Sir Lave. This is from lesson number 3 that will be covered. Then the most important topic, that is the most vast, I would say, in 12th standard, that is passive composite, that we'll cover, giving sufficient time, 2 days for passive composite. Then we'll have imparfait, past continuous tense, futur simple, pronom relatif, conditionnel présent. This, along with this, we'll not only study on February 1, we would solve all the sentences, like we would solve covering all the grammar topics which can come into your exams. Minimum 5 questions for every topic along with its explanation. So if you still have not studied about grammar, don't worry. आपको थोड़ा भी अगर आता होगा, you can join this batch. We'll move ahead together. So uh, I am uh, I am mentioning a Google form link in the description part. Also, I've shared it over my Telegram channel. So if you are interested to join this, if you need some help, if you need assistance on the grammar part or anything, how to write the questions, that is entirely based on grammar. So if your grammar is strong, you can ace any examination of French. This, एंड वील बी कवरिंग फ्रॉम योर टेक्स्ट बुक, क्योंकि टेक्स्ट बुक में से ही वर्ड्स आने वाले हैं, टेक्स्ट बुक में से ही वोकैबुलरी आने वाली है. सो आई विल एक्सप्लेन, आई विल ट्रांसलेट ऑल द एग्जाम्पल्स टू you. The Google form link will be mentioned in the description. You can contact me on this number as well. The study material, the block notes will also be provided. Do let me know if you have any doubt regarding the crash course. So let's meet in the classes. Bye bye.